Oklahoma City's Festival of the Arts and storms seem to be annual dancing partners. Storms last weekend and Tuesday night left us a 7-day rainfall map from April 26th to May 3rd, with high rainfall amounts over much of the state. While the blue areas had less than an inch of rain, most of the green areas had more than 2 inches. Yellow areas received more than 4 inches of rain. Bright orange areas had more than 6 inches. The highest rain amount was at Weber's Falls, 7 62/100 inches. Storms caught everyone's attention. Moisture came in the form of snow in the far western panhandle. Oklahoma City was treated to rain and wind that blew down trees. In the eastern part of the state, there were still flood warnings in effect as late as Wednesday evening. Checking on soil moisture, our recent storms have left the state with excellent soil moisture as summer crops start their growing season. A map of the percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches indicates that most soils across Oklahoma have all the moisture they can hold for young plants. The areas with drier soils are near Eric, Granfield, Ardmore, and Durant. Here's Gary with the impact from our March and April rainfall.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, Mother Nature tried her darndest to get rid of the drought. Did we get rid of all the drought, though, across the entire state? Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map. See what we have. Well, I've been promising a drought-free map, but unfortunately, Mother Nature just didn't cooperate. We still have a tiny bit of moderate drought down in southeastern, south central Oklahoma, and a little bit of abnormally dry conditions around there, and a little dab over in east central Oklahoma. Hopefully we can get rid of that. If we take a look at the 60-day rainfall accumulation map, however, from the Mesonet, we can see that area down across south central through southeast Oklahoma. And you can just see the greens and the yellows. Those are areas that unfortunately didn't get enough rainfall to eradicate the drought or the dry conditions. And we also have some of that down further to the west along the Red River. And that's another place to watch for. And if we look at the percentage of normal rainfall map from the Mesonet for the last 60 days, that again shows up in those yellow and tan colors. And then you can see the stark contrast with the dark greens and the dark blues across most of the rest of the state. Those are places that got 140 to more than 200% of normal rainfall over the last 60 days. So lots and lots of drought eradication. Unfortunately, there's just a little bit left. The good news is, if we look at the U.S. Monthly Drought Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, if we just get, climatologically speaking, the normal amount of rainfall for May, we should be able to take care of the rest of that drought. So we still have a little bit more work to do. Let's just get some good rains in here across those areas, and we will have a completely white drought map, which would be wonderful. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.